Welcome to the ultimate guide to the 2025 Toyota Yaris, the small car that's big on style, tech, and savings. If you're hunting for a compact, affordable, and fun-to-drive hybrid for city life, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into its performance, safety, tech, and whether it's worth your money. Stick around to find out why this Yaris is turning heads, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Let's start with the basics. The 2025 Toyota Yaris is the perfect mix of compact size and big personality. It's designed for urban adventures with a wide, athletic stance that screams confidence. Think of it as a BMW 1 Series, but with a price tag that won't break the bank, starting at just £22,000. Compare that to the Peugeot 208 or the discontinued Ford Fiesta, which were about £3,000 cheaper but offered less tech. This Yaris isn't just for driving instructors, it's urban, cool, and handles like a dream. Plus, with financing deals like 2.9% APR from Toyota. So, is this the small car you've been dreaming of? Let's find out. The Yaris is a full hybrid, meaning you never need to plug it in. Perfect for hassle-free driving. Its 1.5-liter, 3-cylinder engine pumps out 114 to 129 horsepower, depending on the trim, getting you from 0 to 60 in about 9 seconds. That's plenty of pep for city streets. You'll hear some engine noise, especially at higher speeds, and a bit of road noise, but it's no worse than competitors like the Honda Fit or VW Polo. What really shines is the fuel efficiency. With running costs so low, you'll have extra cash for life's little luxuries, like that daily iced coffee or a weekend getaway. The Yaris even recognizes motorcyclists with its advanced safety tech, so you're covered on busy roads. Curious about real-world fuel savings? Drop a comment below and let us know what you're driving now. Safety is where the Yaris truly stands out. It's the safest small car in its class, with features you'd expect in pricier models. Even the base trim comes with adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and emergency steering assist. Airbags? They're everywhere. Front, side, and more, making you feel like you're wrapped in a cozy safety blanket. Tech lovers, you're in for a treat. The Yaris offers a 9-inch touchscreen as standard, upgrading to 10 inches on higher trims. You get wireless charging, 2 USB ports, and Toyota's new cloud-based maps, which update in real time like Waze. Ever gotten stuck in traffic because of outdated GPS? This system keeps you ahead. And let's talk about that JBL sound system, perfect for blasting Taylor Swift, hip-hop, or R&B. It's so powerful it might just shake your mirrors. Before that standing that scam, a different intermitting project. Let's get practical. The Yaris's 286-liter boot is on the small side, enough for groceries or a weekend bag, but don't plan on moving furniture. The upside? Its compact size makes parking a breeze. You can slip into any tight city spot with ease, which is a lifesaver for urban drivers. Active at Rovires or wear one level. And inside, the front seats are spacious, even for taller folks with supportive, best-in-class seats and an armrest in just the right spot. The cabin quality is decent. Rubbery textures up top, harder plastics below, but it feels solid for the price. The steering wheel is firm, and higher trims include a head-up display for easy driving info. The back seats? Well, they're tight for adults, especially taller ones. If you're hauling kids or shorter passengers, it's fine. But don't expect limousine legroom. No electric seat controls here, just manual adjustments, which keep costs down. Planning to carry passengers often? Tell us how important backseat space is to you. Here's where the Yaris gets really fun. It's 40% more rigid than its predecessor, giving it a sporty, rear-wheel drive feel that makes cornering a blast. A special cornering assist feature slows and gently steers for you, like a co-pilot who knows every turn. It's not full self-driving, but it's clever tech for a small car. The voice activation system is a standout, working even with the radio on. Try saying, "Hey Toyota, play my favorite song." And it responds. Pretty cool, right? This car is so fun to drive, it might just outshine the old Ford Fiesta. Plus, Toyota's 10-year warranty, included with regular servicing, means you're covered for a decade. Servicing starts at £230, and insurance? Around £365 for a 40-year-old driver, though younger drivers might pay £570. That's not bad for a car this reliable. Is the 2025 Toyota Yaris worth it? At £22,000, it's not the cheapest small car out there. Models like the Peugeot 208 were £3,000 less. But you're getting a lot for your money. Top-tier safety, hybrid efficiency, and a fun driving experience. Compared to the Toyota Aygo X, the Yaris is pricier, but way more fun. The Honda Fit or VW Polo? They're solid, but lack the Yaris's tech and warranty. The 2025 Toyota Yaris is the small car that packs a big punch. Fun, safe, and perfect for city life. What do you love most about the Yaris? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next one.